The first step is to clean the screen very well. You don't want to trap any debris, fingerprints, anything underneath. So tap the car icon, display, and then screen cleaning mode. It'll turn it dark and you can kind of see all of the fingerprints and stuff that you got to get rid of. When you open the box, go ahead and locate the toolkit. The toolkit contains the squeegee that you'll need, a bunch of dust removal stickers, cleaning cloth, so on and so forth, which you can use, again, to make sure that the screen is completely clean before you go ahead and install the screen protector. So there I am with the wipes and then dust removal stickers. The final step is to install the screen protector itself. You want to remove the plastic backing from the side that will be pushed onto the screen, right there. Then go ahead and push the entire apparatus onto the screen, and you're going to press and slide where it says press and slide, pretty intuitive there. Then wait 30 seconds. I did wait a little bit longer, about a minute, minute and a half. I don't think it particularly matters. After you feel that you've waited the correct amount of time, go ahead and peel off the press and slide sticker. It comes off reasonably easily. It will leave a little bit of residue, which originally kind of freaked me out, but is not a big deal because, as you see, there's a top piece of plastic that you're going to remove. Then the next step here is to just get rid of all the bubbles that may have happened. As you can see, I got bubbles there, there. So you take the squeegee and just squeegee from the middle out and squeegee all the bubbles to the edge. You want to go ahead and do this so that there's not any residue and you don't have any, obviously, bubbles that will affect the usage of the touchscreen. Once you're done getting out the bubbles, you've completed the task. Hold to exit screen cleaning mode, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe.